Mahanaim Educational Institute is change, challenge, cohesion.
Mahanaim Educational Institute is an international organization spreading to 80 countries. We are not simply nurturing specialists or piling up knowledge. Then how should we study? Students who are studying here can find the right answer by learning from Mahanaim Educational Institute. We will provide excellent programs with prominent lecturers and try to find the best thing for you. We are sure we will satisfy all of you in Mahanaim Educational Institute.
Worry no more. Fulfill your dream by enrolling with us. We give you a secure environment for you to achieve your career dream. Mahanaim Educational Institute, molding future leaders.